let's jump straight into this vlog. Y'all see the thumbnail. I'm about to pretty much head over here to longtime friends, man. We might as well become partners, man. He been fixing on any vehicle I had, from my 95 Cutlass Oldsmobile to my 2002 Tahoe. Everything I got done to any of my cars, I let this guy do it on manual. He has company's name in Famous Audio, man. I'm giving him a shout out just because he's most likely about to do some LED bar strip work to my vehicle. He's not sponsoring me or nothing. He's not paying me to say this. He just cool people. I've been dealing with him since really high school, man. And he a real straight up dude. He cut me discounts, and just anytime I come, he always hook me up. So right now we pretty much about to head over here and check on if this 7-inch LED bar strip fits on my bike, and not only if it fits, but if it'll look right. So that's what we about to check into right now. I hope everybody having a good day, night, and morning, man. Hope y'all been washing y'all hands, watching the news, man. The coronavirus is no joke. A lot of people been sleeping on this virus like it just disappeared. Everybody think just because, you know, the governors of the states are opening up that the virus magically disappeared. The virus did not go nowhere, man. And honestly, it's sad that they opened up, but you know, everybody was complaining about work and a whole bunch of other stuff, man. But I ain't finna talk about coronavirus in this video. But y'all just stay safe, man. Wash y'all hands. Practice good hygiene, social distancing, my bad. And yeah, man. But other than that, about to see if this light works, fits, looks good on my bike. And if it looks good, y'all know what's gonna happen. I'm finna get it. I'm finna get it. I'm going for like the Street Fighter look on this bike. So that's most likely what it's about to be. We're about to get ready to turn up here, and we'll be good, man. All right, y'all. So I was not planning on getting this light, but he had it. These lights run about 200 bucks, and I love the retro look, man. It's bright as hell. But other than that, let's get it. As y'all see over there, they got a whole bunch of lifted trucks and stuff, and this is over here in Mesquite area. They got 6x6s and a whole bunch of stuff, man. So I'll put their link and everything in the description below, man. He cut me a real good deal on this. So other than that, man, piece by piece, man, I'm gonna put this bad baby on the map, y'all. So overall, man, this week I got the fork seals done about 4 hours ago. I just got the new light, as y'all seen, man. Pretty much what the thumbnail is about. We supposed to do a huge group ride. Well, I ain't even gonna lie, we supposed to do a little group ride. I ain't gonna say huge. It could be huge, but I don't know. I haven't been to no Saturday rides, so we'll see. So I also hope you guys enjoyed the previous video I just posted today. Well, this video, damn, they set up doing golf. Yeah, the video I posted today. So this video y'all watching now will be posted in 3-4 days. Give y'all some time to check out the previous videos, and then the video y'all see today will be posted. Excavator. Damn, I felt like I just went to preschool again. I did not know how to read. Evacuator, something aider. But yeah, man, back to what I'm saying. This fork seals feel great. Actually, after he finished, he was like, now you could go do some wheelies around the block. And I was like, shit, all right, bet. No, I'm just playing. I ain't into wheelies or none of that. So other than that, see if Malik trying to keep up with your boy. Yep, he is. Yeah, he was like, go do you some wheelies now. It does definitely drive a little bit different now that I got the new forks. There's a lot more things I'm gonna do on the bike. Like I said, I'm gonna tell y'all in another video what I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. I already got my headlights done, as y'all seen. I got the fork seals done. So what I'm doing is I'm doing like maintenance. I do one maintenance thing, and then I do one cosmetic thing. So I'm like going back and forth. I'll do one maintenance, one cosmetic, one maintenance, one cosmetic. And that's how I plan on fixing this bike up. Engine wise, the engine's pure. It runs perfectly fine. I do want to get an oil change. I don't know if people want to see every little thing I do to the bike, but I'm gonna go ahead and vlog it anyway, just for somebody who has a bike similar to mine, somebody who has the exact bike as mine, or just for the bike enthusiasts out there, period. I know it's a lot of people out there who love Yamaha, who love watching 600cc bike content, so that's what I'm here for. Look no further. All that content will be right here. I do plan on, you know, going up on a bike after I finish building this one. So we'll see. My dream bike is a CBR 1000. And my second one underneath the CBR 1000, like the ultimate is the CBR 1000. The bike after the CBR 1000 is a FZ6. So I know you like, damn bro, you already got a naked bike. What the hell do you want another one for? So I don't know. We'll see. Ain't nothing wrong with two naked bikes, but this bike right here is gonna be tricked out, man. I'm just beginning, honestly. I plan on putting a little money into this. I'll say probably less than 1,500. It'll be less than 1,500 bucks I put into this bike. So for y'all wanting to know how much money I'll be spending on all this shit, I'll spend about 1,500. My wife actually helped me as far as Father's Day. She was like, what you want for Father's Day? And I was like, shit, you want to help me put my bike together? And she was like, sure man, whatever you want. I was like, shit, bet. So we got that done, and yeah man, I'm happy. Damn, that was nice as hell. So as I put this bike together, man, if y'all find any you know, places in the DFW area that I could, you know, use them as sources, who want to work with me, who want to help build this bike, go for it. Send me a DM on IG. I leave my IG and all that information up front for y'all as soon as the video starts, so y'all check into that. Other than that, man, y'all DM me some things on my channel that y'all want to do far as helping me not only build the bike, but things just to help me with this channel. And not necessarily advice, but just, you know, pointers. Give me pointers on what I could do next, and different ideas, man. I actually seen this guy's bike on IG, and I felt real inspired on that. I was like, damn, that boy's bike is nice as hell. But I would show a picture, but he did take all his pictures down off IG. I don't know if that was, you know, purposely because I DM'd him, or if he just about to continue to build and he wants to show the before and after. I don't know, but felt like that was a little fishy that he had, you know, 6-7 pictures of his bike, and then it magically disappeared. So I was like, hey my bro, I am not trying to take no ideas what you got going on with your bike to put on mine. I was like, everything I do gonna be, you know, authentic, gonna be my ideas. And like y'all seen at the beginning, man, I wanted to get the 2 LED stripes down here, and when I pulled up, like I told y'all, I've been messing with Manuel, this guy over here at Famous Audio, since I was in the 10th grade, since I pretty much got my first car. And he's done all my stereos, put any of my screens in, speakers, tweeters. He's done everything to any of my vehicles, and now he's doing it, helping me with the motorcycle. So I'm gonna get new fairings, and I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff, but you know, we gotta take our time and do it right, man. I want this build to be I ain't gonna say I want it to be perfect, but I want it to be nice, man. And whatever I gotta do to make it nice is what I'm gonna do. I do want to get bar ends, so probably next month, sometime in July, I'm gonna get bar end mirrors. I don't know if I want them to come out underneath to where I could like look under my arm, or if I want them to come up top, or if I want them to come literally outside the bar. So, well, not outside the bar, but like sticking out right here. So y'all comment down below, you know, different ideas, different things you think that'll make the bike look nice. You know, of course I'm gonna go with whatever I think, but I do not mind, you know, people's what you say, advice or opinions. I don't mind people's opinions. So definitely comment though. I'm willing to listen, and I'm up for anything people put. Like I say, I'm always put what I like. I give y'all a little something. Alright, told y'all I'll give y'all a little something, so not too much, you know. Not too much. Not too much. I do want to get the exhaust. Speaking of, you know, what I want to get done. I do want to get the exhaust done. 70-30, 70-30, 70 in the front, 30 in the back. Yeah, like I said, I do want to get exhaust. Debating on what exhaust. I was going to straight pipe it, but I was speaking with Yamaha. I spoke with my mechanic next door. He was saying I probably lose bottom end torque, bottom end power, period. And he was like, man, 250s, 300s to be passing you if you do a straight pipe. He was like, yeah, it will sound, you know, good and loud, and it'll sound like, you know, a bigger liter bike. Now, should I not? I don't know, man. So shit, I'm not gonna do it. I am not gonna do it. Oh yeah, it rides smooth, man. I don't know if y'all heard a while ago when it sucked in. It sounded like a cold air intake, man. It sounded real nice. I know he didn't mess with nothing under there, but it still sounds pretty damn cool. Hey, y'all see how bright this shit is, man? Alright, y'all, so I know I told y'all that was the end of the video, but wanted to show y'all blinded. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's perfect fit. Man, I love it. See, I was going and I had my mind stuck on the, you know, like the similar Jeep lights they be having with the little rectangular ones that go on top of the Jeeps, rectangular or the little square ones. But my buddy Manuel, he was like, man, hey, I think I got something for you. Just pull up, let me see your bike, let me take a look at your bike. And he seen it and it fits perfect. It's bright. I want to show y'all tonight. I might pull it out tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out tonight, ride it for y'all, and let y'all see how it looks riding. So actually, no, I'm not. I'll show y'all that on another video. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, hope y'all like it.